Hello guys, in today's video I will show you top 6 best Android emulators for low-end PC. So if you have a low-end PC and want to run Android apps or games smoothly, here are the top 6 best emulators for you. Mumu Nebula is the lightest, designed for older computers and very low system requirements, offering stable performance. LDPlayer is fast, compatible with many apps, and allows multiple instances without slowing down your system. LDPlayer 9 is optimized for gaming, letting you play titles like Free Fire and PUBG on basic hardware when set to low graphics. Player is another great choice, lightweight and easy to configure, perfect for casual gaming and app use. Game Loop, created for shooters like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile, runs efficiently on weaker machines and can be tuned for performance. Finally, CoPlayer is a simple and stable emulator for everyday Android apps, offering smooth operation even on older PCs. These 6 emulators give you reliable, fast, and resource-friendly options to enjoy Android on a low-end PC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.